In the world we live in today, creating stories has become a common practice. Whether we are celebrating festivals or traveling, we are always capturing these moments and creating stories on our cell phones and cameras. But most of the time, these stories are left stored in our devices only. I hope you can relate to it. How impactful your story looks depends on how beautifully it has been edited. To do this effectively, it is a must to learn the skill of video editing. Once you have mastered this art, you can tell the world your unique stories. Hi, I am Arun from Internshala. I work in Internshala as an art director. In this video, I will share a few tips on video editing with you. So if you have interest in video editing or want to explore the career in the field of video editing, then do watch this video. Here you will learn what is video editing, fundamentals of videos, stages of video production, types of shots, career. Nowadays, video editing skill has become must-have skill due to increased use of internet and social media. If you want to share your stories and ideas effectively on social media, be it Instagram, Facebook or YouTube, you need to know how to edit videos to make Instagram Reels, Stories or YouTube Shorts. You can also add this skill in your resume as it can be a great way to demonstrate your creativity and attention to detail skills to the HR. So what is video editing? Video editing means changing and rearranging video footages to make a new work that makes your story visual appealing. It involves cutting, joining different clips together, adding transitions, visual effects and audio to create a finished video product. You can upload these beautiful edited videos on your Instagram or YouTube and interact with your larger audience. The more you interact, more likes and subscribers you will get. So let's understand the fundamentals of video editing. First and foremost, it's important to understand the frame rate. This refers to the number of images displayed per second in your video. The most common frame rate is 24 frames per second, but it can vary depending on your project. The higher the frame rate, the more flexibility you have to adjust the speed of your footage. For example, if you want to create slow motion effect, you will need to record your footage at a higher frame rate. Next, consider the frame size of the videos. It's important to match the frame size of your footage with the frame size of your project. Importing lower resolution footage and scaling it up will result in a blurry and pixelated view. The most common frame size are 1280-720, 1920, 1080. The most common aspect ratio for high definition video is 16:9. Stages of production. To ensure a successful video production, it's crucial to focus on pre-production planning. To get started, conduct thorough research online and find references. You'll need to find your scene, stage and shooting area and make sure you have all the required equipments. If you don't own the right camera, don't worry. Rental companies offer a variety of equipment at reasonable cost, including cameras, drones and other equipments. Next, you will be shooting your footage based on everything you have planned during pre-production. Once you have everything sorted, it's time to start recording. Film few footages separately from the main footage to add fillers, context or visual interest to your videos. Make sure to capture all the footage required for your project to avoid reshoot or last minute adjustment. The post-production involves editing, adding music and sound effects and adjusting colors and contrast to give the video a professional look. Post-production for social media also includes optimizing the video for the specific platform by adding captions or call to actions. The goal is to create an engaging video and shareable video that effectively communicates the message and increases engagement on social media. Types of shots. Knowing about camera shots is important in social media because it helps convey different emotions, ideas or information. Let's take a closer look at the basic types of shots in video production. These shots play a key role in determining how we edit our footage in post-production. First up, we have the extreme long shot. In this shot, the characters are placed far away from the camera with the background clearly visible. Second, moving in closer, we have long shot. Here the subjects are fully visible with the camera positioned at the moderate distance from the subject. Third, next we have the medium shot where the focus is on the area above the torso. This shot typically involves half the body and is used to give context to the scene. Fourth, moving in even closer, we have the medium close-up shot where the camera is positioned just above the subject level. This shot captures more detail of the subject's face and upper body. Fifth, then we have the close-up shot which focuses on subject's face, capturing their expressions and emotions. Sixth, finally, we have the extreme close-up shot where the camera zooms in to capture a single body part or emotion, such as the eyes or tears rolling down the character's face. This shot is used to create an intense emotional impact on the viewer. You can be a skilled video editor in this huge high-paying industry. Learn all about video editing through Internshala's video editing course. Check out the link in the description. Career. Let's talk about how we can get a job in the field of video editing. The first step is to create a portfolio that showcases your skills. You can start by creating video, editing reels at home, and uploading them to websites like behance.net or in a blog to create an online portfolio. Second, additionally, create a polished resume that highlights your qualification and experience. Make sure to link your portfolio to your resume. Once you have both, you can apply to hundreds of jobs and internship opportunities available on Internshala. If you have any questions, please leave a comment below and I will be happy to answer them for you. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the Internshala channel for more such content. Best of luck.